when I started to learn this course, I'll try to understand their problems, and I started to dig their problems and converting that into the lead. Want to say means it's more than 1,000 times better than from the my traditional things. And marketing side, I feel like this is more powerful, and even though for moving for the next step in our life, it's pretty helpful for me.
Hi everyone, meet Renoz. He's a digital nomad. He's from Chennai and he got his first client in just 7 days. So congratulations, Renoz. Is that true?
Yes.
So tell me more about how you got this client. Who is this first client?
Actually, I have got a client for the web development. First, I have approached the e-commerce for the sports selling persons. In that, I have got a client for the sports one story. So in that sports one story, that is for them, they are selling all the sports items and all. They are not having the website. According to what and all you have teach, I have did the research on the back end. After that, I have approached them, and they what and all offer you told to suggest. I suggest the same offer. They have impress, and they have a game after 6 to 7 days. I have started to follow on the same method what you have teach. I just a copy. I want to say means just I did a copy paste. I did a copy paste itself. I got one client. He feel that approach, and he directly contact me, and next step we have move on.
Nice. So what all skills have you learned here?
Mainly want to say means I'm just learning about that. First time I'm learning the marketing technologies. But a little bit I'm impressed on that marketing technologies, like how to approach the client, and how to we need to want to say means next step we need to proceed the client, and how we close the client, each and everything. It's totally detailed. Before I want to say means I'll directly go and I'll approach the client. He will say, okay, we will call you back later. Like that, they will get. After when I started to attend your classes, mostly I started to before itself I started to my pre-works. Mostly I won't do for that clients and all. Directly I'll approach, and I'll if they say call back later means I'll leave it. But after you're joining this course, I started to do the pre-work. Who will come, and how to approach, and how to talk. Next step, how we need to proceed. Each and everything I'm doing the pre-work. After that only I'm going and approach their client. In that a little bit I'll feel happy. They are giving the positive approaches on that before pre-work. Okay, somewhat my effort is working on me, but pre-work effort is working on me. So that for that things, it's pretty helpful for.
Nice. And are you like, do you have digital marketing background? Are you from digital marketing, or this is the first time you're learning all this?
This is the first time I'm learning the digital marketing. Before and all, just because I'm working on the 9 to 5 jobs, and all, mostly that I have worked on the technical sides. Even though the technical sides, how they will approach the client manner, because marketing people will approach the client, that will be total different. If technical persons will approach the client, we will talk about the technical things and the technical words only. But we can't able to find their problems, and we can't able to dig their problem. So when I'm started to learn this course, I'll try to understand their problems, and I started to dig their problems, and converting that into the lead. So in that manner, this is the first class itself. Okay, in first digital marketing itself, it's giving me the positive approach. Like that, I feel.
So all the things that you're learning, is it applicable? Is it applicable, or is it practical? The things that I'm teaching, is it practical, or is it only bookish, some general knowledge? What is that?
I want to say means this is not a bookish like that. I won't say, because practically it's because I have worked. I'm utilizing this in the practical manner for my startup companies. Even though with my friends they are working, and just giving these ideas, and they are getting the leads. Me, okay, this will be a good approach. And the next step, it's we are approaching that. So mostly it's come under the practical only. The day to day, this is like a wow factors only. These things and all, like giving a positive from the client side.
Hmm.
So that thing is pretty helpful. But I won't say this is like a bookish.
Okay. So you're able to apply and learn many things here, correct?
Ah, yes.
Okay. So a lot of people might think, these people are scam. Do you think we are scam?
No, because if this is scam means definitely wants to say means somewhere I feel like they are looting my money, and somewhere but whenever if I in the midnight if I pinging some message or I think immediately I'm getting the response from your side or Bojana from your brother. I'm getting that response, and next step I'm feeling that things, and I'm getting that problem is all resolved and all everything.
So when did you do your are you engineering background or you Bicom background? What's your background?
My engineering background.
Okay. 4 years, 4 years of engineering, right?
Yes.
Okay. So have you done your masters?
No, I have didn't done my masters.
Okay. So here, whatever you've learned, right? Is it powerful than traditional marketing? I mean, sorry, traditional education, or is it the same? Or how is this different?
Want to say means it's more than 1,000 times better than from the my traditional things and all. Because in the day by day I'm utilizing this. When I'm studying the educations, I thought that is a too much big educations I have learned. When I'm come to implement in the work wise, I feel like there is nothing else I have studied in the education. But when I'm studied this course, I feel like what and all you have teach, I'm implement the same thing to the marketing side, and I'm utilizing the client, and I feel like a sustainable to the client. So for that and all, this is pretty helpful for me.
Wow. So, maybe 5 lakhs of 5, 6 lakhs of engineering is you're telling it is this program is more powerful.
Yes, for marketing side, I feel like this is more powerful, and even though for moving for the next step in our life, it's pretty helpful for me.
Because it's all about implementing, and it's about the high income skill. It's about the high income skill. So you attended one of our webinar in the first day, right?
Yes.
And then we told that we are going to teach you all of this in 4 weeks, in 30 days. Did we deliver it? Whatever we
Yes.
did, we deliver?
Yes. What and all you have said, the same thing you have delivered in the 31 days classes. 31 days classes and all just like it's like a practical classes. How to each and everything from the day 1, day 2, day 3. The thing days are going on. Keep on you are doing like a practical classes. And when I'm implementing the same thing in the marketing, it's getting approaches from the lot of clients. So little bit it's helpful for also.
Got it. Nice. So congratulations, Renoz, you have done a great job.
Yeah,
Um,
thank you.
okay. So yeah, you have to keep applying or implementing, be consistent in what you're doing. And, focus and consistency is the key to win in life. So
Yeah,
you have the skills now. So you have to be consistent and you have to just stay focused. And if others can do it in our community, you can also do it. If I can do it, you can also do it.
yeah.
So you need to have this mindset and you need to move forward. So yeah, that's it. Yeah, when I said mindset, right? So did this program impact on your mindset? Did it give any change or shift in the mindset?
Yes,
Okay. So
a
okay.
lot of the things I have changed. The way of speech. First of
Mm,
all, want to say means the way of speech. First, before and all, I'll try to implement my technical knowledge to them. I'm giving a like this good product. I'll talk about only the quality of my product.
mm,
So after this class attend, I trying to what they required. And now I'm searching on what they require and how I need to approach them and how I need to convey my product is quality to them and how it's really helpful for them. Like that, I'm thinking and I'm talking. Once mainly want to say means my professional way of speech is totally different from before this class.
Okay, wow, that's amazing. So sending you more power. All the best, Renoz.
Yeah, sure. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.